What's up, family? It is Caden with Urban Finance. Today, I'm going to share with you the very best ETF to buy right now. If you're new to this channel, I talk about everything related to financial literacy, investing, and urban finance. And urban finance is literally anything I feel like talking about, if I'm being honest. So if you haven't already, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the page, and hit the bell to be notified of when I post something new. All right, let's jump in. So real quickly, let's take a look at my account. Currently, for 3 months, I'm sitting at 25%. Yes, that looks beautiful to me. And for the 1 year, I am sitting at 23%. But if I had invested in this one ETF, I could have been up over 100%. And so we'll talk about that ETF and why I think it's one of the best places to put your money in right now. And this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Let's jump into this ETF. So today we're talking about none other than the ARK Innovation ETF, which is up 145% this year alone. Yes, you heard me right. 145%. I think ARK is one of the best places to put your money right now for growth in the future. And we'll take a look at the website and I'll show you exactly why I think this is probably one of the best investments that you can make. So let's take a deeper look at ARK. ARK Disrupted Innovation aims to provide broad exposure to disrupted innovation. ARK believes innovation centered around artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage, DNA sequencing, and blockchain technology will change the way the world works and deliver outside growth as industries transform. And I will say ARK is truly not your traditional investment manager. And here is what set ARK apart. The sole focus of ARK is on disruptive innovation. ARK focuses solely on offering investment solutions to capture disruptive innovation in the public equity markets. ARK's CIO and Director of Research have worked together for almost 15 years and recognize that innovation demands a dynamic approach. Thematic analysts organized by innovation. ARK's analysts are organized by cross-sectors innovation theme to capitalize on technology convergence across markets and industries. Transparent and open research ecosystems. ARK employs an open research approach that adds technology concepts and external input to traditional financial research, creating a more transparent and interdisciplinary investment process. Long-term investment time horizon. The market can be distracted by short-term price movement. ARK's active management focus on the long-term effects of disrupted technologies. And if you don't know about Cathie Woods, many people will compare her to the next Warren Buffett. And I know she is her own person and her investment strategy is actually very different from Warren, but this is the type of person that you want managing your money. And so Cathie founded ARK for 2 reasons. First, to focus solely on disruptive innovation, primarily in the public equity markets, and second, to open up research, becoming a sharing economy company in the asset management space. Cathie Woods is the person that literally predicted that Tesla will be where it is. And as you can see, ARK had 145% gain over the last year. And that is partly due to the success and the fact that Tesla makes up 10% of the portfolio that I'm recommending today. And so if you're someone like me that honestly not interested in necessarily getting into Tesla right now at its current price, ARK Innovation ETF is a good way to get a little piece of Tesla without getting all the risk associated with it. So ARK has more than one ETF, and so there's several different ETFs, and I will be looking into potentially investing into different ETFs that ARK has. But right now I'm invested in the ARK Innovation ETF, and as you can see, they have an autonomous technology and robotics ETF and several other ETFs. And just really quickly, I will go over some of the top holdings in ARK's Innovation ETF, the one that I'm currently invested in. And we can see Tesla makes up 10%, CRSP, not even gonna try to pronounce the name, makes up 6%, Roku makes up 6%, NVIDIA makes up 6%, Square, Teladoc, Spotify, And as you can see, a lot of these companies are actually on the cutting edge of innovation. That's what I want in an ETF. But every day I get an update on what trades ARK makes. And so in addition to investing in ARK ETFs, I do invest in some of the companies that ARK is invested in directly. And so one of the things that I'll be doing on the channel is reviewing companies that ARK is currently holding and which one of these companies that I think would be the best for individual investors. And so yes, I certainly encourage you to invest in ARK directly like I am. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. But in addition to investing in ARK directly, I do plan to invest in individual companies that ARK is invested in. And hopefully Kathy again will pick another home run like Tesla. Most retail investors look to see which companies the smart money is invested in. Oftentimes, some of these companies are actually behind the curve. But with ARK, we are guaranteed a company that I believe that will be always ahead of the curve. And so out of all of the companies that I follow that I think have a solid investment strategy, I think ARK is one of the best for the future. All right, I hope you found this video to be informative. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the page, and hit the bell to be notified of when I post something new. And like I always said, even in the midst of these crazy times, God bless you and make sure you're living your best life.